Vernee has just announced the 4GB RAM variant of the Vernee X, after several teasers that the company shared, and the phone is already available for purchase as well. The company has released an official unboxing video with the device. The Vernee X is a metal-clad smartphone, which sports rather thin bezels, though not as thin as some renders may suggest. This phone's price point is $199.99, and you can get it from AliExpress as we speak. The purchase link has been included down below. That being said, the Vernee X is a metal-clad smartphone, which sports a dual-camera setup on the back, and a fingerprint scanner which is placed right below those two cameras. Vernee's branding is present on the back of this phone, and the phone utilizes on-screen buttons. If you check out the embedded video down below, you'll be able to take a closer look at the phone, and you'll also be able to see what you'll get in the retail packaging. Along with the phone, Vernee will also give you a silicone case for the device, and a screen protector. A charging brick and a cable are also included in the package, and so is a Type-C to 3.5mm dongle, as the device does not sport a 3.5mm headphone jack. The Vernee X sports a 6-inch Full HD Plus 2160 by 1080 display, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of native storage. The phone is fueled by the Helio P23 64-bit octa-core processor, while its storage can be expanded via a microSD card. A 6,200 mAh non-removable battery, fast charging included, is also included in this package, and that battery should be able to serve you for quite some time, per charge. 16 and 5-megapixel shooters are included on the back of this smartphone, while 13 and 5-megapixel shooters are included on the phone's front side. This handset also comes with Face ID, facial recognition software, while Android 7.1 Nougat comes pre-installed on the phone. The Vernee X comes with 2 SIM card slots, and the device offers 4G LTE connectivity, in case you were wondering. It's also worth noting that the